How to make a girl fall in love without saying I love you. To make a girl fall in love effortlessly, focus on building a genuine connection without forcing it. It's about being authentic and kind and creating a space where she feels comfortable and valued. Let's break it down. Confidence and authenticity. Confidence is key, but not arrogance. Girls can tell when a guy is putting on an act, and they value authenticity. So the first step is to be yourself. When you're comfortable with who you are, it's much easier for someone else to feel comfortable around you. Showing the real you without fear of judgment makes a massive difference. The tale of Daniel and Emma. Daniel had always been shy. He liked Emma, the girl next door, but he was terrified of telling her how he felt. Instead of declaring his feelings right away, he focused on making her feel special in small ways. Daniel remembered that Emma once mentioned how much she loved daisies, so he'd occasionally bring her a single daisy he picked from his garden. Nothing too grand. They'd laugh together, share their dreams, and talk for hours about their favorite books. What he didn't realize was that Emma was slowly falling for him, not because of grand gestures or words of love, but because of how genuine and thoughtful he was. One day, Emma turned to Daniel and said, "You know, you always seem to know what makes me happy." Daniel smiled and said, "I just pay attention." He never once said, "I love you," but the way he treated her, listened to her, and made her feel seen said it all. Emma later confessed that it was Daniel's small gestures, his ability to listen, and how he always made her laugh that made her realize she was in love with him. The key to their connection was Daniel's authenticity and the effortless way he made her feel special without saying those three words. Make her feel special without overdoing it. This doesn't mean showering her with compliments or gifts every second. Instead, show thoughtful appreciation. Notice the little things about her, like how she smiles or her passion for certain hobbies. When you point these out subtly, it'll make her feel seen and valued. Balance is essential. Don't try too hard, but show genuine interest in her life. Active listening and emotional connection. Pay attention when she talks. Often, what wins a girl's heart is the way you listen to her. Ask her about her day, her thoughts, and her dreams, and care about the answers. Women tend to be drawn to men who make them feel heard and understood. When you remember the details she shares, it shows her that you care. Be supportive and encouraging. Girls appreciate someone who lifts them and encourages them to be their best selves. Celebrate her achievements, motivate her when she feels down, and remind her of her strengths. Being a positive force in her life will help build a bond that feels natural and effortless. Let her come to you. Don't always be available. A little mystery is attractive. When she starts wondering about you and wants to spend time with you, you know you're on the right path. Give her space to miss you. It's part of building attraction. Humor and fun. Making a girl laugh is one of the best ways to her heart. Keep things light, fun, and playful. Don't be afraid to joke around or be silly. A sense of humor makes every interaction more enjoyable and leaves her wanting more of your company. Nonverbal communication. Body language says a lot about how we feel. Make eye contact, smile, and use gentle gestures when you're around her. Physical touch, like a light touch on her arm during conversation, can also create a sense of closeness and trust. Let things flow naturally. Challenge her, but in a good way. Healthy debates and differences in opinion can spark attraction. Challenge her intellectually, tease her playfully, and don't be afraid to disagree with her. It shows confidence and she'll respect you more for standing your ground while still being respectful. Show ambition and purpose. Women are naturally drawn to men who have goals and purpose. Show her that you're driven and passionate about something in your life. It doesn't have to be something grand, but having direction and ambition makes you attractive. Patience and respect. Building emotional attraction takes time, so give her the space she needs to develop feelings at her own pace. Respect her boundaries. Let things flow naturally and be patient. If you're ready to create real, lasting connections and attract the right person, start with self-confidence and understanding the power of being your true self. Make sure to subscribe for more insights on relationships and personal growth. And don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful.